Okay, good morning one and all. Today's class we discussed about the computer arithmetic. So far we discussed about the error detection codes and other binary codes. What is the computer arithmetics? Arithmetics means internal calculations of the computer memory. Internal calculations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in any other operations. Okay, we have to retrieve the data and also another all types of data consisting of the computer organization. In computer organization, that is a computer arithmetics means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, the data that is manipulated by arithmetics in digital form. The computer arithmetics can be calculated by using the digital form. Digital form means in the form of binary numbers. Already previously so far we discussed about the binary numbers. Binary numbers means zeros and ones or ones or zeros. Okay. The computer arithmetics can be done by using the zeros and ones. The computer arithmetics are in the form of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. The data is manipulated by using arithmetic instructions. The arithmetic instructions in digital computer. In digital computer, we have to done the calculation is known as a computer arithmetics and also known as a instructions. Okay. Data is manipulated to produce the desired resultant output for the solution for computation problem. Computation problems means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division by using algorithms. Data is manipulated to produce the desired result output for the solution and to computation problem. There are four basic main computer arithmetics. Four basic arithmetic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These four are the main basic computer arithmetic operations. Computer arithmetic operations is in the form of binary representation, means zeros and ones in the digital computer. It contains four types of arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. To execute the arithmetic operations, here arithmetic operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. There is a separate section called arithmetic processing. To execute these four types of arithmetic operation, we have separate section called the arithmetic processing. These four operations can be done by using the arithmetic process unit. In arithmetic process is done in the central processing unit. Arithmetic processing is done in the central processing unit. These four operations are done by using the arithmetic processing in CPU. Okay, the arithmetic instructions are performed generally or binary or decimal. Okay, the arithmetic instruction. The arithmetic instructions mean arithmetic processes or can be done in the form of binary or decimal. Binary means in the form of zeros and ones. Decimal means, for example, 45. This is a binary number, this is a decimal number. The arithmetic operations can be done in both the decimal and in the binary format. Fixed point numbers are used to represent integers or fractions. Integers or fractions. The arithmetic operations can be done by using both the binary and decimal numbers or integer number or floating point or fixed point or in the integer format or in fraction format. For example, 45.624. This is a fraction number. Okay, this is a decimal number. This is a after fraction number. This whole is considered as a fraction number. We have and in this computer arithmetic we have both signed or unsigned negative numbers. Okay, fixed point representation added a simple arithmetic operation. Computer arithmetic have addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and it also consisting of signed or unsigned. Signed means whether it represented, for example, the decimal, we have to take the decimal number. The signed means it is represented by plus or minus. unsigned means there is no representation of before the value. There is no representation before the value. Okay. The arithmetic instructions are generally in the form of binary or in the decimal format. Okay. Fixed point representation consisting of integer or fraction values, and it is also both the signed magnitude and unsigned magnitude numbers. Okay. In fixed point representation, it uses the simple arithmetic operations. In computer arithmetic, we have consisting of four mainly arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. First, we have to see the addition and subtraction operation. Okay, first one, addition and subtraction with signed magnitude data. Addition and subtraction with signed magnitude data. We find that there are 8-digit condition to consider depending upon the sign of number and the operation is performed. In this, for example, we have to take the 65 number. What operation can be done? 65 plus 4. Okay, here the sign representation is plus. That's why we have to take the addition. Okay, the representation of sign is what operation we have to done. For example, here there is a plus operation with both the decimal, both the digits. Okay, that's why we add both the numbers. That is a representation of what the number is, addition or subtraction. Okay, the other column in the table shows the actual operation to be performed of the magnitude number. Okay, next slide we are going the table for the arithmetic addition, signed magnitude of addition and subtractions. The last column is needed to present a non-zero. In other words, when two equal numbers are subtracted, the result should be positive or negative 0. Okay. Okay, this is the table. Okay, this is the table for addition and subtraction. Okay, here A plus B means A is organ, B is append. Here subtraction means A minus B, minute and subtrahend. Okay, here we have the operations. Here first four are considered as a addition operation and remaining 4 is a subtraction operations. Here first four is a addition operation and next remaining 4 is a subtraction operation. Here we have to take the 4 columns. Take the 4 columns. This is for addition magnitude. Both cases are plus, we can be resultant output will be the addition. Here when the A value is greater than B, or when A less than B, or when A equal to B. In last column already says the resultant output will be the plus 0 or minus 0, negative number or positive number. Okay, here first 4 is a positive numbers and second 4 is a negative number. Here we have to take the first operation A plus A plus B. Here both the operations are same, that's why we have to place the plus A plus B. Here both signs are different. A has a different sign and B has a different sign, but operation is plus. Here also A is minus and B is plus. Here we have both the signs are same, A is minus and B is minus. That's why both the sign is same, that's why we place it as minus is a sign representation. We have to go add both A and B, A plus B. Here both are different signs. Both are different signs. Here highest value is plus. Plus, minus into minus, plus. That's why the resultant is plus of A plus B. Here A is minus. Here also like that B has 2 minuses and A is minus. Here minus into minus plus. That's why highest term will be the minus, that's why we place it as a minus. Here both we have to add it a plus b. Plus a plus b is a plus b. Okay, this is the combinations of the addition operation. Remaining, for example, a is greater than. Here we have to subtract a greater than b, a less than b, a equal to b. Here a is a highest number because the sign of a is positive. Okay, that's why we take the subtrahend. Okay, plus a is greater than. Main sign is plus, a into plus or minus is minus, plus a plus or minus into minus, a minus b. Here minus is taken as minus a greater than b, plus into plus a minus b. This is the representation of signed magnitude. Both the cases here a greater than b or a less than b, these are the both the cases. When a equal to b, these are the resultant desired output. Okay, this is the hardware implementation of the addition and subtraction. Hardware implementation means these whole operation can be done by using this hardware implementation. Here we take the B register and A register, that is placed in the BS and AS. This is considered as AS and BS. What is the register? Register means storage of information with small amount of data. Okay, A is the one register and B is a register. Both have the storage purpose. Both are used for the storage purpose. A register is stored the data in AS and B register is stored in the data as BS. Okay, this is a complementary for the subtraction operations. This is known as a parallel adder. Parallelly, the data is sent from the B register and then sent to the A register. That B to the A and A to the B. Okay, here is the mode control. Mode control means the input operations can be done by using zeros and ones. Mode means whether the input is 0 or 1. Okay, mode control means whether the input is 0 or 1, the data that can be transferred by using the mode control, input is transferred to the parallel adder. The resultant output will be added to the output carry. If any carry is placed here, carry is represented. This is E means overflow condition. Overflow means any carry will be forwarded, that is known as a overflow. Here AVF means add overflow. More than overflow conditions, it is a add overflow. AVF means add overflow. This is a hardware implementation that is used to done for addition and subtraction operations of computer arithmetic. Here we have two registers, B register and A registers. The registers of the data that can be A register of the memory is placed in the AS and B register memory is placed in BS, and complementary operation that can be used for the subtraction operation. Whether the subtraction in the complements, we have to place the subtraction number to the ones complement and change it to the twos complement. Then only resultant output will be done. That's why subtraction operation can be done by using the complements. Next, the parallel adder will be transfer the information to the B register to A and A to B. Here the mode control means the information in either in the form of zeros and ones. This is in the form of input information and the output will be transferred by using the parallel adder. Parallelly done the input and output operations, the carry will be occurred, then the E means overflow condition. All cases are kept in not overflow. It will be occurred whether a carry, the output will be placed in carry. Okay, next AVF means added overflow. Okay, this is the addition and subtraction of computer arithmetic and its hardware implementation. Okay, this is the signed twos complement addition and subtraction. Complements are used for the subtraction operations. This is the hardware and it is the algorithm. In previous diagram we see this hardware implementation. B register, complementer and parallel adder. AC means this is also one type of register. This is a overflow condition. The overflow condition, this is the algorithm for subtraction. So algorithm for subtraction and it is for addition. Okay, here we take the AC as a input, minus AC and subtrahend B. Okay, here also argued, this is addition means AC plus B, subtrahend means AC minus B. Okay, this is for the resultant output of the subtraction AC, the actual value stored in the A. If it is a overflow, that is stored in the B. This is B. Okay, here also like that, the resultant output will be stored in the AC and the overflow condition that is stored in the B for both the addition and subtraction operation. Okay, here complement means any subtraction operation we have to done the complement, one's complement and two's complement. Okay, this is the hardware. This is a simple algorithm of the addition and subtraction operation. Okay, this is the algorithm. The diagrammatic representation of algorithm is here. Okay, here is the addition operation and the subtraction operation. Here we take both the operands are A and B in addition and subtraction operation. This is the diagrammatic representation of flowchart of addition and subtraction operation. Here both the addition and subtraction operation, here the operands are A and B. Here the operands are the A and B, A minus B, and in addition A plus B. Here we have to take both the condition, whether it is equal to 0 or non-zero means 1. Here also in addition operation, whether it is equal to 0, the condition is like this, and it is not equal to 0 means 1. The condition is turns to this value. Okay, AS and BS means in the hardware implementation it is a registers. You have A register and B register. Okay, AS is placed as A register values and BS is placed in the B register values. Like that, A is in this 0 condition, AS equal to BS means the condition is 0. Okay, here the output will be EA, A plus B means here D bar means B's complement plus 1. The whole data, whole calculation can be stored in the EA. Okay, AVF means AVF means 0, that is a overflow condition. And overflow condition. Okay, here also A is 1 means A is not equal to BS. A is not equal to BS means A value is not equal to BS. Here 0 means A is equal to BS. Here condition means EA tends to A plus B. A plus means A is 1. A is for example 6. B is 4 equal to 10. That value 10 is stored in EA. Okay, 10 is stored in EA. Like that 10, 6 plus 4. This is a value, 4 is a B value. The resultant output of 10 is stored in EA. Here any add overflow, that data is transferred to the add overflow. Okay. Next, the end will be the resultant is stored in A and AS. A and AS means registers. Okay. Okay, here that is a pictorial representation flowchart of addition and subtraction. Here is the step-by-step procedure how to use the flowchart. The two signs of A and B are compared by exclusive OR gate. By using the OR gate, we have to perform the operation of addition and subtraction. The output of gate is 0, the signs are identical, and 1, the signs are different. For example, the output is 0, means the signs are identical. Identical means The signs are identical means both the plus values. The signs are identical means both the values are plus A plus B. These are same. Okay. For example, it is 1. The signs are different. For example, minus A plus B. These are different signs. This is the identical signs. Okay. Both the values in addition and subtraction we have to take both operands as A and B by using the XOR gate. XOR gate means previous class we discussed it. XOR gate is like this. The input means A, B. This is the resultant final output can be done by using the exclusive OR gate. Okay, the magnitude are added with the micro operation. EA means the data that can be stored in addition by A is a one operand, B is a operand. This whole operation that can be stored in the EA. Okay, EA is a register. Register means storage memory, where combination of E and A, the carry in E after addition continues overflow. For example, the addition of A and B, that value is stored in EA. EA means register, storage memory. Okay, that have any overflow that is equal to 1. Overflow means carry. The value of E is transferred into the add overflow flip-flop of AVF. What is the flip-flop? It is a sequential circuit for adding and subtraction of the values at a time, at a particular time. Flip-flop means a sequential circuit that can be done the addition and subtraction operation at any particular time. That is known as a flip-flop. What is a register? Register, the amount of data that can be stored in the memory means register. Here register is EA is a register. Addition of both A and B, that value is stored in the EA. Okay. After completion of the addition operation, after any carry is, any overflow is done, that is in the form of 1. Okay, the data 1 is transferred to the add overflow. That is add overflow. Excess of memory is transferred to the add overflow. Okay, 1 in E indicates that A greater than or equal to B, and A is the 1 in E indicates the A greater than or equal to B, and number in A the correct result. Okay, A greater than or equal to B, and in another condition 1 in E indicates A greater than or equal to B, 0 in E indicates that A less than or equal to B. Okay, we will take 2's complements of the value in A. For example, the E indicates the 0, the resultant will be the A less than equal to A less than B. Okay, the value is stored in the 2's complement. We have to take that value to the 2's complement. The resultant will be 0, then we have to add that number to the 2's complement. Okay, the operation can be done with the one micro operation. A's complement plus 1. A tends to A's complement plus 1. A complement means complement. Okay, 1's complement or 2's complement. Whether the output will be the 0, that 0 is perform the operation by using 2's complement. The final result is found in a register A and its sign is AS. The final resultant, in diagram the final resultant will be stored in the A and its sign in AS. A and AS are the register. The final memory is stored in the A and AS. Okay, the value of AVF provides overflow indication. For example, we have to take the after completion of addition and subtraction operation, the final result is stored in A in AS. And also there is any overflow condition or any carry condition, that answer will be, that result will be stored in the AVF. AVF means overflow, add overflow indication. AVF means add overflow indication. Okay, the answer is 1. It is indicates that A greater than equal to B. Whether the result is 0, that indicates that A less than B. Then whether the result is 0, it will be take to the operation for the 2's complement. Okay, the whole data, whole result is stored in the A and AS in the registers. If any carry or overflow condition, that also stored in the AVF. This is the algorithm and flow chart for the addition and subtraction operation. Whether we have the addition operation and subtraction operation, whether it is equal to 1, it is 0 or non-zero, and it is also condition whether it is 0 or 1. Okay, final operation is stored in the A and AS. Final result will be stored in A and AS. If any overflow, that is stored in on the AVF. AVF means add overflow condition. Here we have two conditions. If it indicates the 0, A less than B. Okay, if it indicates non-zero means once A greater than equal to B. Whole resultant will be stored in the end of the A and AS register. This is the flow chart of addition and subtraction operation. This is a diagrammatic representation and also step-by-step procedure of the addition and subtraction operation. Today's class what we discussed, computer arithmetics means addition, subtraction, multiplication algorithm in digital representation and digital form. These are the four main arithmetic operations in the computer arithmetics. Now today's class we discussed about the addition and subtraction operations. Here we have the 8 conditions of operation. 4 are the plus and 4 are minus operation. 1 for the addition, 3 for the subtraction. A greater than equal to A greater than B, B greater than A, or A equal to B, or either A equal to B means either positive 0 or negative 0. Okay, and its hardware implementation. Hardware implementation means it contains two registers, A register and B register, and it is stored in the register AS and BS. In any subtraction operation, the operation is take place to the complementaries and then added to the parallel adder. The whole input output can be transferred by using the parallel adder from A register to B register, B register to A register. Workload can be transferred by using the input in the form of zeros and ones. Input carry is transferred by using parallel adder, and output will be carry. If any carry is occurred, that amount of data is transferred to the add overflow. This is a final flowchart for the addition and subtraction operations. Okay, here A less than B and A greater than B. Final result will be stored in the A and AS registers. Okay, this is for today's class. Next class we discussed about the multiplication and division algorithms. Thank you.